chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and these 3 chain stitches will count as a double crochet for this first stitch from your previous row. As you will see, here's 1, 2, 3, and so on. So this chain 3 that counts as a double crochet will count for this stitch. So we will continue in the next stitch from your previous row. Now for the back loop double crochet, if you look at the top of the stitches of your previous row, you will see they will have a chain-like look, or even like a V shape. Now if you keep your work upright, the loop that is the closest to you, if we take, let's say, this one, the loop that is the closest to you will count as the front loop, and the loop that is the furthest from you will count as the back loop. So the same with this one. The closest to you is the front loop, and the furthest one will be the back loop. So we will yarn over for a double crochet. You will insert your hook into the back loop only. Not like a normal double crochet where you will insert underneath both loops, like that. You will insert it only underneath the back loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do another one. And you will see the front loops that you don't pick up, they stand out and they add more detail to your work. Now for the last stitch, you will use the chain 3 from the previous row. You will take the top chain, there you can see it, and you will use that back loop for your back loop double crochet. So you will insert in the back loop and make a double crochet. And now you can see a nice line of the front loops that you didn't pick up.